What is going on, guys? This is Ty with the Dividend Stock King with another video. And today we're talking about my stocks are down. Should I cut my losses? Before I begin, I am not giving any financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not telling you what to do with the stock market. I am not a professional at any sort. Please seek a professional for finances. I am not that person. This is what I would do personally for myself. Okay, now before I begin, if you want to build an online business from home, because dividend investing takes a long time, if you want to start an online business from home, I got a link below the description here. It's called Legendary Marketer. It's a 15-day builder challenge. It will show you in 15 days how to build a full-time online business. All right, it costs $7 one-time fee, and you get your money back if you don't like it. 30-day money back guarantee for $7. My stocks are down. Should I cut my losses? Now, this is a tough one. This is a tough question. I think this question is different from everyone. It's just different. March 2020, pretty much the whole stock market went down. So everyone at a loss. Should you cut your losses? It depends on you. Do you want to wait it out and see what happens? How long can you wait? Do you need the money right now? Do you know the company well enough to know that they'll be back in full effect? It's hard. It's not. It's different for everyone, depending how old you are, what your goals are, everything. Now, with the stock market, it go up and down all the time. There's dips and there's the highs. Okay, with the stock market, we all know we gotta ride it out. We all know that we have to ride the stock market out. Okay, so here's the deal. Here's what I do. I'm a dividend investor. So once the stock market crashed last year, 2020 March, some of my stocks stopped paying dividends. So Apple Realty stopped paying dividends altogether. Some people got cut. Some companies went quarterly, monthly or quarterly. I waited 6 months to see what they recuperate, and it didn't. So I sold those stocks off, but I diversified my portfolio a lot. Okay. Now, my goal is to get dividend income. So if a stock cuts the dividend or was monthly, moved to quarterly, I would probably move out of that stock into a different company. All right. So you can sell as long as you don't take a huge hit. If you take like a huge hit, there's the point of selling. I will wait it out for a while and see what happens. That's what I would do. Now, in dividend investing, if you have a stock that pays 10 cents a month, right, and they lower it to 5 cents, and the board of directors decide to cut the dividend in half to 5 cents, I will probably sell that stock off and get another company. That's my personal opinion. That's what I would do. If it cut a dividend in half, I will let them go. Now, during the 2020 of March last year, I understand why they cut dividend, because everybody was going, everything was not going well for everyone. I understood that. But now, if a 10 cent dividend paying stock goes to 2 cents, I'm selling. I'm cutting my losses. I'm gonna find out why they cut it. What's going on with it? And most times they're not doing well. Cut my losses. Now sometimes they'll come back, but that's a choice you got to make. EPR was a prime example of that, because it was paying. I found here, EPR was a good. I had like 20 shares of that, and it was paying a nice dividend per month. But they cut the dividend. They stopped it for a while, I believe. They cut it, they stopped it, and moved to quarterly. So I sold that position. Now they came back and resume monthly, but the payment is lower. So when the payment got lower, I started back investing it. I cut my losses then, because I like a dividend investor, and I know EPR. If anything bad happens to that company, they will most likely go back to quarterly, because they did before. So the ones that paid dividends all of 2020 and they didn't cut it, they kept paying it, are the good companies. The ones that cut it, they, they're not so stable as I thought they were. So she cut your losses. It depends on what you want to do. If you could wait a while, 4, 5, 6 months, go online and see what happens to the company, I would do that. If you're a dividend investor and they're paying 10 cents and lower to 1 cent, 2 cent, I'm probably I found out why. I might ride off a little while, and I might cut it out to go somewhere else. Take that little cash flow and go somewhere else. If you had a big negative loss, like you down like $500 or something like that, I wouldn't sell. I would wait as long as I can to recoup some of my money. Let it go back up to negative 300, negative 200, and it can't go up no further than that. I'll sell. Sometimes selling ain't the best way because you might lose money. So that's what I would do personally. That's what I would do personally. But you make your own decisions. It depends on you. If you're you're a teenager, you 20, 21 years old, you can ride it out. You can ride it out because you got time. But you 60 years old or 70 years old, you might want to sell and go to the company. Everybody's different. I'm in the middle. I might just hold on for a while. I might just sell. It depends on just the company. I might just sell. But it's always good to do your research first. Get good companies. Get great companies that consistently pay a dividend or consistently go up. So that's it for the video. It's not hard to tell you what to do, but you have to do your own research. You gotta find out why they cut the dividend, why they going down, what's going on. Can you find a different company to put that money into? It depends on you. It depends on your situation. It depends on you. But if you got a loss right now, like everybody 401k went halfway, went down a lot in 2020. But if you waited out for a while, you'll be good to go. So yeah, that's what I would do. I would just chill and relax for a while. So thanks for watching my YouTube video. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, check the links in the bottom of the description box below. See you next time.